Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. We are on day 5 of my Christmas series. I am doing a new Christmas video every day in November, and today we are going to be doing these really easy and really beautiful Christmas ornaments. They are made out of a garland. As always, I'm going to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Like, comment, and share. That helps my channel to grow, and let's just get into it. The supplies you are going to be needing are a garland. This will provide the large portion of our ornaments. I got mine from Hobby Lobby 50% off. I'm going to be embellishing them with some wood beads, and of course we're going to need some twine and scissors. We're going to start by removing our bells from our garland and the hooks that come on the bells, since we're going to be using this part. Now we're going to take our wood beads, and you can stain them. I decided to leave mine natural because they match other ornaments that I have on my tree. Now, just like if we were doing a wood bead garland, we're going to loop our twine through it so that we can create a loop to hang it on our Christmas tree. So I'm going to loop it once, and then I'm going to do it again so that we get this little loop portion on top. Now you're having to do 3 strands of twine in here, so it took a while, but I got it to go through. Once you have the desired loop on top, we are going to be attaching it to the bell portion. So I'm going to trim it off so that I have enough room for me to tie a knot. Even if you want it really short, leave yourself some extra space so that you can tie a really tight knot. So all I'm going to do is do a simple 2 knots on here, and I'm going to stretch them out really tight so that they become as small as possible. And now you can definitely leave these longer and do a bow at this portion, something cute, or just leave these here. I decided to trim them and put a little bit of them back in through the bead. And that's it for this project. Like I said, this one was easy. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the rest of the bells in this garland, and I wanted to show you that you can do this with pretty much any garland that you like. You'll be able to get multiple ornaments out of them. This video was more about the idea of doing this to any garland that you like, because you do get to save on the ornaments than if you would have bought them individually. Now, as always, I want to thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have many more Christmas videos for the remainder of the month of November. So again, hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I post those new videos. Like, comment, and share on all my videos. That helps my channel to grow. And I'll see you back here tomorrow. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.